Welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video, we're going to be making double choc coconut cookies. You're going to need to set your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and you're going to need a couple of baking trays that you're going to line with baking paper or a reusable baking mat if you have them instead. This is a really simple recipe, really quick to put together and throw in the oven, and probably ready half an hour and then maybe 15 minutes to cool down, and they'll be right to go. So a total of probably 45 minutes. They are delicious little cookies that, again, might be hard to stop at one. Okay, if you like this video, please press the like button, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also check out the other recipes I have on my channel. So if you're ready, let's bake.